What's crackin'? My name is Hans and for today's video guys, i-share natin sa inyo yung naging update dito sa Night Crows this September 10. So punta muna tayo dun guys sa website. So dito guys sa website, ang sabi is meron na ditong 11 new events will take place. Class skill balance has been adjusted. Stats for certain gear has been changed. Tapos ayun guys, ayun lang yung nangyari and ito yung maintenance schedule. So, pupunta na tayo dun guys sa game. Okay, so check natin. First one is dito sa taas. So, check natin. Okay, so sabihin natin sa inyo yung mga bago dito. Ito, bago rin yan. Okay, so ito gold. Ayan, may 3M oh. 3M, 70k. Ayan. So, medyo okay to guys ah. Okay, 1,000 lang to. 1,000 diamonds lang. Tapos, premium crafting. Ayan, meron na to. Nakaraan pa yan. Eto guys, ayan, hindi yan bago. Okay, check natin. So eto, onti lang yung naging bago dito guys. Dito naman sa taas, okay, check natin. Salmon, eto nakaraan pa yan. Ayan. Eto guys, bago to guys. Okay, may makukuha ka ng Forgotten Remnant guys.
Wow!
Etong Forgotten Remnant, sobrang neat mo na ito kasi for epic yan. Ayan. Ayan o. Kaso tatlo kailangan mo yan. So check natin ulit. Okay, so eto, obtain legendary mount through combination. So makakuha ka lang daw ng legendary mount through combination. So ayan, papagastos ka dito. So sa mga free to play, malamang din nyo ito makakuha. Hindi rin pala natin ito makakuha. So eto, Moonlight Delight. Okay, check nga natin to guys. Okay, bagong mount siya guys, rabbit. So rare lang siya. Okay, may bagong mount, di natin nabasa yon. Okay, eto, check natin. Ito yung gold. Bago rin to guys. Tapos may 10 na more yun. Okay, so mukhang maraming babayaran sa gold ah. Ito guys, about Terash naman to. About boss rate. So may makukuha ka dito guys na higher seal. At dito is Clement's coupon. So if you fail the combination during the combination failure listing period, you will be given another chance to combine. Okay. Tapos Epic Glider. Ayan. Meron na to nung nakaraan pa. Ito, meron na rin to. So, ito guys, pwede nyo itong gawin eh. Ito, bala ko itong gawin. Okay. So, ayan. Ayan yung mga bago. Tapos sa skills, check natin. Okay, check muna natin itong exchange. Ayan. Bibenta tayo. Uy, naka 16 pala ako na ito. Okay. Tapos magbibenta lang din ako ng mga items. So, guys, ito, i-check natin yung mount. Okay, lalagay natin siya sa style change. Apply natin siya. So, check natin. Ayun. Ang ganda tignan guys. So, ayan o, bunny. So, ito yung bagong mount na binibigay nila. Okay, pakita natin sa inyo. Gagawin natin itong thumbnail. Ayan guys, oh. Bagong mount. O, dito tayo sa baba. Okay. So, ayan. Ayan na nga guys, ang bagong mount dito sa Night Crows. Okay, next one naman guys, yung sa skills. Okay, binalance lang naman nila dito yung sa skills. Tapos yung sa item, binago daw yung ibang stats. Doon wala pa akong idea. Pero kung meron kayo guys idea regarding that, please comment it down below. Para syempre guys, malinawan tayo. At so dito naman pala guys sa shop, check natin baka meron silang bago dito. Okay, step up, wala pa din. Same pa rin nung nakaraan. Ayan, may new daw dito. Okay. Wala akong nakikitang new. Okay, tapos ito, nabili ko na yan. Village, Crow. Okay, tapos currency. Ganun din. Night Crows. Okay, so wala akong nakikitang bago dito guys. Ito pala guys yung sa September 10 na new pass. Okay. So yan, pinakita na natin guys. Tapos meron akong nakita dito. And baka makatulong din to. Meron sila dito guys. Road to 200 day quiz event. Okay. So check natin to. September 11, ayan, to 24 before the update. Ayan, rewards will be distributed in order. So eto guys, check natin. Quiz 1, sabi may makukuha kang mount times 11, tas sunset. September 11, sa 12 naman is spell Starlight Crystal times 10. Ayan, pang infuse ata yan. Tapos ito rin guys. Tapos element extraction harmony times 11 1. Okay. Crew can only participate event once per account. So check na lang muna natin dito guys kailan siya magaganap. So participation on September 11. Ayan. So check natin guys ha. Nightcrows, since launch approaching, we will thank crew who worked so hard and showed the game so much love throughout our journey. Within the 200 days, many crew enlisted to the Nightcrows diligent fought for their goals and their guild. Okay, so dito walang details dito. Pero ito nga, event period is participation on September 11, 2 p.m. Ayan. So, reward distribution is September 24. So, magaganap tong quiz guys. Ayan. One in a game quiz community each day. The event period of September 11 hanggang September 13 kada 2 p.m. for a total of 3 quizzes. All voters will receive a reward. Furthermore, 10 participants from each quiz who answered correctly will be randomly selected to receive a special reward. So, ito abangan nyo guys yung special reward. Check the quiz at the bottom. So, and guys, every 2 p.m. guys ng September 11 to September 13. Ayan, merong quiz hanggang number 3. Tapos, hanggang 13 to guys ha. Tapos, yung reward, madidistribute siya on September 24. So, ito naman yung mga list na makukuha nyo. Kung makakapasok kayo dun sa top 10 na unang makakasagot ng tama, may mga special rewards kayo guys. Okay? So, ito guys, dagdag ko lang din pala. Meron na pala dito ulit na guild order or guild coin event. So, ayan guys. So, 100 or 99 lang yung kailangan nyo patayin. May 500 na agad kayo dito na guild coin. Ayan. So, binalik na ulit yan guys. Okay? So, sa mga nag-aantay dumami dito yung guild coin nila, now is the time. So, ayan. Add lang natin yan sa video na to guys. So, ayun lang yung additional info natin. So, maraming salamat sa panonood. At sana guys, nakatulong itong video na ito. Kung meron kayong mga additional ideas or thoughts regarding this game or regarding this update, please comment it down below. And also guys, kung gusto nyo guys ng times 11 na WS and also 200k, meron akong coupon dito. Kailangan nila mag-send guys ng 10 seats. 10 seats lang yung kailangan ko. So, ayan, lagay nyo lang dyan Pogi, #2020 and pa-bookmark na rin guys. So, maraming salamat. At once again, this is Hans and God bless.